The 4200 PSI Electric Power Washer is a powerful cleaning tool that delivers a maximum water flow of 2.5 gallons per minute, making it perfect for tackling tough grime on various surfaces. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles, this versatile machine allows you to easily adjust the pressure to suit different cleaning tasks, from delicate surfaces to stubborn stains. The foam cannon included with the power washer makes applying detergent a breeze, ensuring a deep clean for vehicles, driveways, and patios without any hassle. With a generous 23-foot hose and 36-foot power cord, the washer offers extensive reach and flexibility, allowing you to move freely while cleaning. Designed with convenience in mind, this pressure washer features built-in storage for the power cord and nozzles, making it easy to keep your cleaning area organized. The environmentally friendly design of the washer saves water and energy, providing an efficient and sustainable cleaning solution for your home.